start the video, bro.
Shut up. Take two because some very this person here just wants to get me canceled for no reason. I'm not canceled, just either way I'm not happy. Anyways, we're building a boat for treasures.
Bro! Stop it! Actually stop, bro. I'm trying to actual freaking... God.
Womp womp.
I'm trying to do that, bro. The freak.
Anyways.
You need to get rid of your slime mid thing.
Not if I launch first.
Bro, don't. Like, actually don't. It's getting really annoying right now. Please. Genuinely stop.
Now you know how I feel.
Bro, I stopped doing that.
Anyways, this is how you exploit money and build
We
a
only
boat
get
for treasure.
49 per... We only get like 49, dude. That sucks.
Yeah. Wanna know why you're only getting 49?
Why?
Because, oh god. Because they're not going through it. You have to go through you have to go through physically all through the levels, not just hop over them.
Fine, I'll go through all of them. Jesus.
You're just floating. How much money do you have right now?
2,805 or 50.
Bet.
2,850, bro. How much do you got? You know, I'm gonna switch teams because you keep. No, I'm switching teams. You know what?
Oh no, I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight.
Oh no, I'm on the wrong team, bro. Yay, I'm on my own team.
I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight.
Bro, we all know you're joking. I'm just getting annoyed of you keep doing that, bro. I'm just getting annoyed at this point.
Hold on. What if I buy a fucking minigun?
Buy it. I dare you.
I just bought it. I'm not sure how many uses it has. Anyways, just another item to my collection of various wares. This exploit is just super fun for no particular reason.
Because you just
I'm
beat
on
it.
blue team.
You're on blue team? Oh dang, that's not for you.
You're on piss yellow team.
Nah, I'd win. And you're on dumb blue team.
Piss. Yellow is the color of jaundice.
No! I got rid of the wrong slime. I'm cooked.
Beat you.
I don't care, dude. I don't freaking care.
There we go. Got my money. Money! Money!
Wait, what happened if I...
Money?
I got a dumb idea.
What the particles? Alright, someone shut
Money,
me up.
money. Can I have some money?
What the particles?
What the funnies? I'm gonna commit a funny right now.
Bet. This brushing against me. This audio quality is gonna suck.
Womp womp.
Alright. How does this sound?
Go this way. Go this way.
Oh my gosh,
Go this way.
today we're building boats for treasures of treasures.
I swear on my life.
Anyways, After checking the audio. I'm building boats for treasures.
Same views. Oh no. No! Oh, it's fine. What? Hey bro, I'm not even on a boat right now and I got this one. And if you're saying impossible, fact check yourself. Because I'm not lying. I said fact check, not fat check. Because if I did, that'd be really
disengage. There we go. Don't you dare.
What?
Nothing.
Don't dare what?
No. Just not.
Just not win? Question mark.
咩？这手冰激凌。
I'm going so fast.
Mr. Laser X has created something glorious.
What'd he create?
This machine of absolute gloriness.
He didn't create it.
He enlightened me. Anyways, we're gonna color it poop.
You have a paintbrush?
Yeah.
I could buy one, but I don't wanna.
Anyways, time to absolutely fly by.
Bro, where are you? I don't see you at all. Oh, never mind. I see you now. Bro, how are you getting so much control on that? What block are you using? Wood?
Yeah, I'm totally using wood.
What are you using?
Brick.
Okay, fine. I'll use brick. Jeez. I was gonna feel so bad using 370. Oh, I hate that. Oh, I hate that. Just use freaking brick.
Alright,
Most
let's buy a legendary chest.
Let's go gambling! Let's go gambling! Let's go gambling! Gambling, gambling, gambling! Is that all I ever hear anymore? Is that all you ever said? I hate gambling!
I have this stupid contraption saved.
Bro, you're cooked. You're cooked if they ban this. You're cooked.
Yeah, I know.
You're quite literally just using brick.
Yep. And then not going super fast.
Mine's just so freaking. Mine's not going fast at all. Mine's just blocky, bro. Mine is very slow now. Clicks. Do you have to specifically have 5 knobs on it for the brick to work?
I don't know.
Did you put 5 knobs on yours?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess that's what I gotta do now. And it's still QB, bro. Why is it going like this? It's being so slow. Okay, brick actually sucks. Brick actually sucks, bro.
What are you doing? Are you just hopping to get your speed?
No, I'm going normally and hopping.
You have to hop very occasionally. You have to gain speed and then hop to maintain height.
I'm trying, bro. I can't even get speed at all.
POV play on mobile.
I hate you. Mobile doesn't suck. You suck.
Objectively, mobile sucks.
Yeah, I know. Compared to PC, yeah. But it's my only option, bro. I don't got a freaking PC yet.
Bowling pins.
I don't think I'm gonna get one for a hot minute. So
Carter PC's reference.
did I just see you die? No, that wasn't you that died. Oh my god, Ruben. I see you. Your thing, at least. I actually swear, bro, I'm not getting any speed at all.
Hey,
Ice is way better. Ice is way better.
Ice is
Oh
more
my god, I
controllable.
just wasted $300 on bricks.
Womp
You're
womp.
kidding me.
Get over it.
Ice is so much better. I'm gonna say womp womp when you get copyright stricken because I'm gonna sing Buddy Holly the whole episode.
Alright, I'll stop recording right here then.
You guys were recording an episode?
Not
Build the boat.
Oh, really?
what?
Yeah,
We
really.
What team am I on? I'm on red, so get wrecked. You guys are recording an episode of this?
Yeah.
I'm on yellow because he kept starting it while I wasn't ready. No.
Womp
I'm going to.
womp. Get over it!
You're seriously becoming one of those people who says womp womp all the time?
I am. What's wrong with it?
It's just annoying.
Annoying like me? Did you just
No.
call
Did you just call us annoying? That's
Yes.
super rude.
Cry about it. Boo hoo.
Alright, I'll cry about it.
Do you want me to play you a song on the world's smallest violin?
Anyway, it's time to see what this minigun does.
Are you also?
Bro. I got $2,000 right now because I completed so many quests. And the on ice thing is so easy, like actually.
It is though, because like you just put it on the thing. And then like that's how I got like almost all of my gold. That's how I have almost every tool in the game.
I only have 2,000. Wait for me. Oh, I hate you.
Oh, I hate you.
I can almost make a thing out of those blocks. I have 3 blocks. I can almost make a swirly thingy of that. A swirly thingy. Yippee.
Let's paint it poop real quick.
Let's make Daniel demonetized. And make him monetized and make him demonetized.
Oh yeah, later. I have a community poll on determining whether or not I should become a brain rot YouTuber.
You mean make
it a
another
separate-
channel?
Yeah, make another channel and become a content farm. Alright, let's go.
Yippee.
Make another channel that is just content farms.
Yep, that's the plan.
Lil Bro's gonna have more subscribers than Mr.
How do you want it cooked? Do you want
Bro,
That
Dude,
channel's
so
gonna
far.
have more subscribers than this channel.
I like my eggs cooked like snort eggs, like how you call them.
snorts? Snort eggs?
Yeah, the snorts.
You want the snort eggs?
Yeah, I want the snort eggs.
No! I got so dang cooked. Bro, it
Get
actually goes so
Get wrecked.
fast when you only have one. It goes so fast.
Yeah.
Like, I actually swear.
Let's see, did I get every single thing or did I glitch out the game? Nope, I missed 3.
Wait, what do you get when you get through all of them? I don't actually know because I only get.
I get 102.
Yeah,
I got
same.
40 and I didn't even make it to the end because I died.
I also missed 2.
No, guys, you only used one slime ball. Or slime. I actually swear I'm going so fast right now. It's uncontrollable, though, to be honest. I'm going off of the board.
Yeah,
Bro, I'm out of the screen. I'm all out of the screen.
Bro, I
I think there's like a speed cap, so you just have to be a little.
No, I'm going over that. You guys see me on the screen? Yeah, well, I'm actually at the end,
I
and
sort
I'm
of
not on the screen.
died.
I actually kind of just sort of died.
I kind of ran into the tornado.
Ooh.
Hold on, Daniel, wait. I'm gonna go back on screen soon.
Alright. I'm gonna
What's
create.
on the top of the screen? Here I am, baby! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god,
Yeah,
oh god.
try slowing down.
I know. The one slime is so OP. Oh god, I'm going down. I'm
I
going.
think the goal isn't speed. It's about
Bro,
Oh,
yeah, nah.
how'd I get 127?
Because I said so. Because I said so, woman.
Yo.
Your name
one
is
moment.
Diva and your last name is Chris Tyson.
Do I have to scrap this video again because of you?
Nah, I'd win.
I literally had to scrap a. What the
Bro, whoever's on pink team, I just visited them. Anyways, time to go.
Wait, where'd you go? Because now this just blocks on my plot. Nope, there they go.
I
Again.
died. He died of death. Bro, I only got 8. You got to be kidding me.
Are you going through the level barriers, or are you just flying above them?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I went through half of them. I went through like almost all of them, bro. And then I died of balsamic vinegar.
Such a bing chilling, like actually.
No, it's balsamic vinegar, bro. What you gonna do about it? I'm kidding. Wee, 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 wee.
Skibbity!
Wee.
I
Oh god,
beat you.
oh god, I'm going too fast. I'm going too fast. I'm going. Tap dice.
Your character is just fucking out. He's going, and he's gone.
I went way off the screen before, and then I came back, and then I went off the screen again.
Now my goal is speed. Let's see how far I can get. Oh, he died.
Bro, do only one slime. See how fast you go.
Alright.
You actually go so fast.
Nope. Can't do one slime. It's uncontrollable.
Yeah, I know, but that's how fast you can go.
No, you actually can't get anywhere with it.
Yeah, I know, but it's still fast.
No, I'm not even joking. You don't even get speed. What you get is nothing.
What do you mean, nothing?
You get no speed, no height, nothing. You just.
Hold on, let me share my screen.
No.
Bro, I go so fast.
Good for you. Anyway, shut your bean chilling. Why?
Why? What did I do?
Smelly, according to.
I'm gonna give you lobotomy with my tower again.
According to you, you were according to Ethan, you were smelly.
No, I'm not. How am I smelly?
On Gorilla Tag, he said you were smelly.
Bro, I got farther than him. He can't be talking, bro.
My goal is to see how far I can just fly.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Nope, I'm upside down. What team are you on? Did you leave the server?
No.
You still on the same team? No, I'm off the screen. I went off the screen.
I'm off the screen.
How?
Because.
At least I'm getting free money. I need to make it to the end, though.
Oh god.
Every time I use one slime, I go super duper fast, and I absolutely love that. But I don't even get on the thing of death. So I'm gonna use 2 slimes and then get rid of one of my slimes. Like, halfway through, aka right now. Whee!
The
Dabba
bat
dabba
looks
wee.
super tiny. Alright. I think we're gonna have to call it here.
Why?
Oh, hi, Hugo. Hi, Glub Thomas.
Ruffles the Third Junior! Wee! 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 Wee!
Anyways,
Dabba dabba da. Dabba dabba wee! Wee!
I'm floating
Wee!
for all of eternity up here.
Yo, I saw you! I see you! And now I'm heading back, baby. Wee! Oh god. Nope, I'm flying back. And I'm oh.
Alright, as I'm flying... Oh, what the fuck? Anyways, as I'm falling out of reality, I'm gonna call this video here.
Bye-bye. We don't talk about Bruno.
No, shut up.
Nodwin.
Anyways,
bye-bye.
hope you enjoyed. Vote in the comments whether or not I should make a content farm channel.
Just for the memes.
Yeah.
Just for
I need to animate the thing that I need to animate. Anyways, click funny button down below, and I'll see you again next time, hopefully. Bye.